Did you know Excel can pull live data directly from any website and automatically update it whenever you want? In the next 60 seconds, I will show you how to import live tables from the web into Excel using a built-in feature that most people have never touched. Every day, millions of Excel users manually copy data from websites, stock prices, exchange rates, sports tables, paste it in, and then have to do it all over again tomorrow because the data changes. This is completely unnecessary, error-prone, and wastes enormous amounts of time every single week. Here is exactly how to do it. Go to the Data tab in the Excel ribbon, then click on the Get Data button, choose from Other Sources, and select from Web. A dialog box will appear asking you to paste in a URL. Simply copy the web address of any page that contains a data table and paste it right there. Once you paste the URL and click OK, Power Query connects to the website and shows you every table it detected on that page in a navigator panel. You simply select the table you want, click Load, and Excel imports all the data instantly into a formatted, connected table. From that point on, you can right-click anywhere in the table and hit Refresh to pull the latest live data at any time. Look at the result. A perfectly formatted, live-connected table sitting right inside your Excel spreadsheet. Every time you click Refresh, Excel goes back to that website and pulls the newest numbers automatically, keeping your data current without you lifting a finger. You just learned how to import live web data into Excel using Power Query. No formulas, no copy-pasting, just automatic real-time data at the click of a button. If this blew your mind, smash that like button and subscribe because I drop a brand new Excel tip every single day.